Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azra Nada Syahira with student number 07011 3821269.
Hello, my name is Aidil Fitriansyah and student number 050311 8212 6005.
Okay, today we going to the conversation. Let's try.
Uh, wow, reading about the Comstock load means really illustrates how difficult the working condition were.
That's right. The water flooding the working area was a big problem, let alone the water being so hot.
164 degree Celsius. That's almost boiling. No wonder it was so dangerous to work at such depths.
Geology, it's interesting that the hot water indicates the potential for further mineralization down there.
Yeah, but the risks were too great at the time. It was impossible to mine deeper than 1,000 meters because of the heat.
And many miners died either directly from the hot water or indirectly from exhaustion in the extreme temperature.
53 miners die in less than 2 years. That's a horrific number.
That's why they finally decided to build the Sutro Tunnel. It was a very ambitious project.
6 kilometers long. That must have taken an incredible amount of time and effort to project.
Absolutely. The physical challenge and financial crisis they faced during construction are also legendary.
It has even been compared to the construction of the first transcontinental uh, railroad in the United States. That's an incredible comparison.
That show how important the Sutro Tunnel was to the continued mining operation of the Comstock Lode.
In addition to draining water, the tunnel also ventilated the upper levels of the mine, which must have been a hook help.
You can imagine how stuffy and hot it would have been inside a mine shaft without proper ventilation.
The courage and perseverance of the engineers and workers who built the Sutro tunnels are commendable.
They overcome obstacles that seem impossible at the time.
This is a prime example of how innovation and determination can overcome major challenges in the mining industry.
The story of the Comstock Lode is full of a drama and struggle.
And this tunnel is a symbol of hope and a solution to a very difficult problem.
I have a greater appreciation for the hard work that miners did in the past.
They had to deal with very harsh and dangerous conditions.
And the technology of the time was certainly not as advanced as it is today.
So the success of the Sutro tunnel is a remarkable achievement.
It is testament to the ingenuity of humankind in finding solutions to complex engineering problems.
It also reminds us of the importance of safety, especially in a hazardous environment like mining.
Absolutely, every miner's life is precious.
I am amazed at the scale of the Sutro tunnel project and its impact on mining operation.
It is an important part of the history of mining in the United States.
And the lessons we can learn from their tenacity are still relevant today.
Yes, the patients who find solution and not give up in the face of difficulty is the key to success. Okay, I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.